Alam mo ba that Starbucks started with 0 drinks? Beans lang, walang latte, walang frappuccino, pero isang tao ang nagbago ng lahat. Meet Howard Schultz. And he turned it into a 4 billion brand with over 35,000 stores. Paano niya ginawa to? Pag-usapan natin. In 1953, Brooklyn, New York, dito pinanganak si Howard. Lumaki siya sa public housing at hirap sila sa buhay. Fast forward 1981, Howard was selling kitchen equipment. Doon niya nadiskubre ang Starbucks. Maliit lang na tindahan to. It was just selling beans. Walang inumin, walang upuan, pero nakita niya yung potential nito. In 1982, sumali siya sa Starbucks as Director of Marketing. In 1983, pumunta siya ng Milan, Italy. Doon niya nakita ang espresso bars sa bawat kanto. Coffee wasn't just a drink, it was an experience. Yun ang gusto niyang dalhin sa Amerika. Pagbalik niya ng Seattle, pinitch niya to sa mga founders. Pero guess what? Ang nakuha niya sa mga founders was a hard no. In 1985, Howard left. He started his own cafe, Il Giornale. He raised money, launched the Italian-style coffee bar, and it worked. In 1987, taon na pinanganak ako, the Starbucks founders wanted out. Howard raised $3.8 million. Binili niya ang Starbucks. At doon nagsimula ang tunay na kwento. Howard sold more than coffee. He sold comfort and community. A third place between home and work. Yun ang nagpaiba sa Starbucks. By year 2000, 3,500 na ang stores nila globally. Pero nung 2008, nag-crash to. Too many stores closed. Stocks dropped. Howard came back as CEO. Binalik niya ang focus. Better coffee quality, stronger community, and core coffee house experience. From just 4 stores in 1981 to over 35,000 stores in 2024, Starbucks isn't just coffee anymore. It's a daily ritual. Howard Schultz proved na kahit galing ka sa hirap, kahit na-reject ka multiple times, you can build something that changes the world. So, next time that you sip a Starbucks coffee, remember, it all started with one man who refused to take no for an answer. Ikaw, fan ka din ba ng Starbucks at ano ang favorite drink mo dito? Comment mo naman sa comment section.